I provide women and men with hormone replacement therapy to help support the balance of their health. And again, hormones are a vitally important element of having energy and being able to do what you want to do in your life and to feel as good as you can possibly feel. And I use bioidentical hormones, and there's a difference between bioidentical hormones, which are chemically the same structure as the hormones that your body naturally makes. So they are not made from plants necessarily, or if they are made from plants, like progesterone is supposedly made from wild yams, but you would have to eat 500 pounds of wild yams in order to make a little bit of progesterone. So the plants have to be converted into the hormone chemically in a lab, but they are chemically, structurally the same as the hormones that your body naturally makes. Whereas some quote unquote natural hormones that are from animals or like Premarin, which is a hormone that women used to be given a lot, is horse urine, pregnant mare's urine. And it is not chemically the same structure as the hormones that we naturally produce. So might have more side effects. So when I provide women with hormones, I help them to get balanced with the hormones that they're taking and to feel their very best. And I use bioidentical hormones. Also for men, the same thing.